In this example, we will learn the electrical sequence in which the motor operates only at the time set by the timer. Hello. Understand the electrical sequence configuration given in the screen configuration and the behavior of the various electrical equipment inside the control box. On the left side of the screen are several buttons, lamps and motors based on the control box. And in the center of the screen is the inside of the control box, and below is a brief description of each device. There is also a monitor on the right side of the screen to check the time chart for each operating configuration. First of all, make sure to understand the operation configuration and verify through simulation. There are various relays in the control box. In particular, there's a timer, and the motor stops running according to the set time of the timer. When the user presses the push button PB1, the motor will run. After a certain time, the motor will stop again by the timer. In order to run the motor again, the user must press the push button PB0 to reset. By resetting the timer, the user can press the push button PB1 again to start the motor. Also, if the user presses push button PB0 before the timer expires, the motor will stop immediately. GL lamp turns on when the motor is not running and RL lamp turns on when the motor is running. You can check the status of the motor by viewing the lamp status. In addition, all trips stop when the overcurrent relay trips and the lower YL lamp and buzzer cross each other. In this case, set timer for 10 seconds and flicker for 2 seconds. Now let's check each simulator to make sure it works correctly.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button PB1. Release the button PB1. Press the button PB0. Release the button PB0. Input off. Wiring breaker.
The topic for today's lesson was an electrical sequence study where the motor was running only at timer set times. This is a simple electrical sequence that runs only at the time you set. Learn more about the timer. Please also learn about on-delay timer, which operates after a certain time, and off-delay timer, which returns after a certain time. A learning example similar to this allows us to construct various electrical sequences and use them directly. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.